do you? I like it.
The food good, man. Pork chop. They kind of cooked a little over, but you know, we gonna deal with it. You feel me?
Huh?
Yeah. I can't complain though.
Yep.
Yeah, blessing. I don't know if I'm geeked up.
That rice and that bean look good.
Yeah, they here. They here for some. I tell you that. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah. So.
Ooh, that part that kind of juicy though.
Got the pork chop right there. Rice, beans. And me, I had the nacho. And,
Show me nachos over there. You ain't kill them out.
nah,
You got too full.
I got some.
You got too full.
Had the sauce with the chips.
Yep, that was good.
Then we had him with the rice and beans and pork chop. Still good.
For sure.
He had the Coca-Cola. I had some water. But yeah. So give us a rate.
Oh, you can put that. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we good. No, we straight. We straight.
It's a 10, 9, 8.
This I give it a 7.8.
Okay. Nice. Okay. So we out. Peace.